Welcome to this video on leveraging AI to streamline your day. Imagine waking up to a complete AI-generated action plan that sets you up for success right from the start. We all know the struggle, juggling too many apps, jumping between Gmail, Slack, and your calendar. It is a constant distraction that hinders true productivity. The solution is unified intelligence. By using one AI to gather, prioritize, and organize your tasks, you can transform how you manage your entire day. Step 1 is to create your workspace. Starting with a dedicated project folder provides the essential foundation for your entire automated planning system. Next, you need to describe your assistant. Simply tell the AI in plain language exactly how you want your planner to function. Step 3 involves generating your project files. The AI automatically builds the complete system structure, including all necessary rules and logic. Then, you define your dashboard. This creates a clean, color-coded, and time-blocked action plan that ranks your priorities effectively. Now, you run the system. The AI collects, filters, and prioritizes every task, ensuring your morning brief is always prepared for you. Step 6 is to teach your assistant. Providing feedback allows the system to adapt to your unique work style, making future plans even smarter. Finally, you automate. Generate tomorrow's plan every morning before you even sit down to work, ensuring you stay ahead of the game. You can continue to expand your system by adding more intelligence. Integrate productivity analytics, reminders, and summaries as your system grows. Work smarter by focusing on what matters. Spend less time organizing and more time executing on tasks that truly move the needle. The result is your very own AI Chief of Staff. Every morning, you begin with a personalized action plan, built overnight and ready at first light. Plan less and achieve more. Start building your own AI-powered productivity system today, and let AI plan so you can execute.